What's up everyone, welcome back to the Streamlab. I'm Joe and today we are breaking down our massive week in tech. Samsung just hit the assembly line with the Galaxy S26 series, but the leaks are telling two different stories. One model is getting the Ultra treatment with a wild new display technology, while another might be a letdown. Plus, we've got clinical proof that the Apple Watch is literal lifesaver. And Elon Musk has a huge update for Tesla Honor in Europe and China. You don't want to miss this, let's get into it. Alright, let's talk Galaxy. Mass production has officially started and we finally have the launch date. Mark your calendar for February 25th. The S26 Ultra, this thing is looking like a beast. And we're hearing about the new ultraviolet color that looks incredible. But the real magic is the screen because Samsung is introducing Flex Magic Pixel. It's a hardware level privacy screen. If you're looking at it straight on, it's 1000 nits HDR perfection. But to anyone standing next to you, the screen looks pitch black. No more cheap plastic privacy films. Under the hood, the Ultra is finally bumping up to 60 watts fast charging and a 5200 mAh battery. But guys, we have to talk about the S26 Plus. The leaks say the S26 Plus is getting almost zero upgrades. It's sticking with the same 6.66-inch screen and 45 watts charging. Why? Well, Samsung killed the S26 Edge project late in development and had to scramble to finish the Plus model. If you're on an S25 Plus, this might be a skip year for you. The base S26 is at least getting a slightly bigger 4300 mAh battery, but it's still stuck at 25 watts charging in 2026. Come on, Samsung. Now, if you're a power user, Samsung 2026 was actually the highlight. The Galaxy Book6 Ultra is officially here. This laptop is a monster. It's running Intel's brand new Panther Lake chips built on that 18A process. Samsung is claiming 30 hours of battery life for video playback. 30 hours? That's 5 hours more than last year. It's also thinner. The 16-inch Pro model is just 11.9mm thick. They've managed to cram an RTX 5070 and a 1000 nits into something that weighs less than 2 kilograms. The real-world testers match the hype. This might be a MacBook Pro killer we've been waiting for. Switching over to Apple camp. We always hear the marketing health, but a new clinical study from Amsterdam UMC just proved it's the real deal. It tracked over 400 people and found the Apple Watch is 4 times more effective at catching atrial fibrillation than standard doctor visits. Here's the crazy part. 57% of people diagnosed by the watch had zero symptoms. They felt fine, but the watch got the irregular heartbeats before they could lead into a stroke. This isn't a gadget anymore, it's a preventative medical tool. If you have parents or grandparents who aren't tech-savvy, this is the reason to get them one. It's data-driven, patient-centered care right on your wrist. And finally, for EV fans, Elon Musk just spoke at Davos and dropped a bombshell. Tesla's supervised FSD is expected to get regulatory approval in Europe and China as early as next month. Europe has been waiting forever because of strict safety laws, but the Dutch regulators are reportedly ready to sign off in February. Once Netherlands says yes, the rest of the EU usually follows. This is huge for Tesla's software revenue, especially since Musk says that this same AI is going to power Optimus humanoid robots when they go on sale in 2027. The future is getting weird, guys. So there you have it. The S26 Ultra is a privacy king. The Galaxy Book6 is a battery beast. And your watch might just save your life. What do you think? Is the S26 Ultra Magic Pixel screen enough to make you upgrade? Or are you disappointed with the S26 Plus? Drop a comment below because I read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Streamlab for your weekly tech fix. I'm Joe and I will see you on the next one.